What's going on, guys? My name is Dasher and welcome to the cast. Today we will be reviewing the Razer Tartarus Pro. Starting off, when we first open the box, we get the Razer Tartarus Pro safely packaged in a neat manner. The foam for the palm is really soft and comfortable, and the analog keys personally feel nice. The thumbsticks are clicky too, but we will get to that later. Other things in the box include a welcome card from Razer with the certification and the manual. Here is another look at all the angles of the Tartarus Pro, which includes a protected braided USB cable that is permanently attached, which also comes with a cable organizer. On the back of the Tartarus Pro, there are a total of 5 rubber pads that help with protection and ensure no sliding on the desk. The palm handle of the Tartarus Pro is removable and comes with different options of comfort, one being for smaller hands or people who like a claw type grip, and the other being for bigger hands or people who prefer a flatter grip when gaming. I have mine on the flatter grip. I really hope you guys enjoyed the quick review, and thanks for watching. See y'all soon.